Hey guys, so I recently had like this realization that, you know, this is like my last kind of 3 months ever of like studying maths. Like obviously I'll use some of it in my future job, depending on what I do, but I'll never be like a maths student ever again, which is why I think it's reasonable to assume that this is like the most amount of maths I'll probably ever know in my lifetime right now. So kind of to celebrate this, I thought that I would react to the famous animation versus maths film, which I feel like lots of people probably would have seen before, but I've never actually seen before. In case any of you guys are new, I'm finishing up my degree at Oxford. I initially did maths, but then I switched to maths and stats. This year I'm taking mostly stats, so I'm not sure if there's going to be any stats in this film, but I studied like a lot of breadth in maths in my first and second year, which I think that's something that the Oxford course is really good at, just like making you study a lot of options, and they actually make you take the exam in a large range of courses. With a lot of unis, like the way that their course is set up is that you get like a lot of choice, but for us, for the first half of the degree, actually you don't get any choice in what you study. It kind of forces you to like explore a wide range of breadth for maths. I'm kind of rambling on. I'm gonna start watching the video, which I'm like looking forward to watching. Okay, 1 is equal to 1, that's good. Oh my god, the man's so cute. Okay, he's reached 100. How long is this gonna go on for? Okay, I think it's stopping. One plus 99. I've just paused the video because I'm like really confused as to what's going on. Like it's just like adding and subtracting loads of things over and over again. I always feel like I'm missing something really smart. So if I'm missing something smart, can someone please tell me? Otherwise I'm gonna move on. Oh, okay. Okay, we have something, complex numbers, e to the I pi. It's so weird, you think the complex numbers comes up more at university, but like it really only comes up in like one module in first year, and complex analysis it comes up, obviously, in the name. But yeah, okay, e to the I pi. Yeah, so e to the I pi would just be equal to -1. So that's why he like changed it from -1 to e to the I pi just then. Quick maths. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, it's running away. Oh, the man is so cute. Oh, it ran away from him. Okay, we're back to this. Guys, if this isn't just adding and so— oh, okay, we're multiplying now. He's doing it in like a grid format. Cute. Dividing, okay. Oh, he's dividing through minusing. Brackets. Oh, he divided by 0. Okay, so that's why, like, all hell's broken loose. Oh. Oh, I love this so much. It's so well made. Okay, multiply. Oh, squaring. Okay. Oh, laws of indices now. Okay, to the power of 0. Oh, I miss it when the rules of indices was like maths class. Was actually so much better. When we were quite young at school, I remember my friend asking me like why something to the power of 0 is equal to 1, because I feel like, you know, when you're little, that's kind of like counterintuitive. And I remember I was thinking about it and I was just like, well, maybe because like when you divide by yourself, it's equal to 1. And also when you subtract like an indice with itself, you get to the power of 0. So that was like kind of my explanation. It's probably not that rigorous, but that was the way that I thought about it when I was little, and I never got it wrong. This segment of today's video is sponsored by Paperlike. So this year as a whole, but especially during exam season, the amount of time that I've spent on this iPad is actually ridiculous. I do like all of my note-taking, all of my past papers and flashcards on my iPad. So my screen time has been like upwards of like 7 hours every day on here. The thing that's like really helped me is my Paperlike screen protector, which actually makes like writing on your iPad feel so much like paper. I used to really miss the feeling of paper, which is much more comfortable, especially when you're doing long hours, compared to like the really like smooth, glidey feeling of writing on an iPad, which actually becomes very tiring after a while, which was probably the thing stopping me from using my iPad more last year, because even though I preferred like the convenience and not having to use that much paper, especially during exam season, I ended up reverting back to paper. So make sure to check out this link and also in the description box down below. I really think it will help you study for longer. Oh, okay, we're on to complex. Oh, he's shocked. 2i. Oh, I squared is -1. Okay, I to the I pi. Why is e going like backwards though? I don't know what it means when it goes backwards. It's running away. Oh, he's using I as like an arrow. This is so cute. I can't. He's doing like a circle because like, you know how the pi or the whatever the e to the I theta is, it like represents a circle. He's gonna get it, he's gonna get it. Okay, minus e to the I pi. They're fighting. Wait, he's using like the plus and the 1 as a knife. And he's using like the 2 2s and a multiplication sign as like a bow and arrow, which is like literally the coolest thing I've ever seen, I feel like. Okay, you got him. He just did like the arc because the angle was 45 degrees. Yeah, height of the fall. He's gonna get it. Oh! Oh, he ran away. I think he's gone. Oh, he's drawing the axis. Okay, is he gonna roll the other way now as well? Yeah, the real axis and the imaginary axis. None of this is like actually uni yet though. Oh, okay, the, is it called the Argon diagram? Not said that word in a long time. Okay, because 2 pi radians, it'll be like just over 6. r. Oh, okay. That was like, do you remember the formula from A level or GCSE? A level, where like the arc length is equal to the radian angle multiplied by the radius. Is that the area? Oh, theta r. Oh, okay, no, that's the formula I just said. So that's going to be equal to the Is he trying to find what that's equal to? Yeah, he's trying to find what it's equal to. And he's going to do the area next. Oh, theta over r. Oh. It's got the graphs of sine and cos, okay, and then the cos as well. Wait. I wonder why sine was in that direction and cos is in the other direction. That's nice. The animations are so good. I wonder who did these. Oh! Oscillating nature of like sine and cos, so like the lag, the delay time. Oh, the E is aggressive. So the thing that like looks like teeth and is like borderline scary is the infinite sum from n equals 10 to infinity of I pi to the n over n factorial. Wait, kind of slow. I need to think about what that actually is. So something to the power of n over n factorial, doesn't really matter what it is. It's like the Taylor or the Maclaurin expansion for E. So because they plugged in I pi, that would be e to the I pi, which is minus 1. I missed the reason why they're only doing n equals 10 to infinity though. R minus theta e to the I pi is just r plus theta, that's correct. Yep, e to the I pi is just minus 1. Oh, spokes. Cute. That thing is like scary. I very quickly did like e to the I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sine theta, and now they're doing like sine and cos in terms of like the exponential definition. Like the plus one is cos, the second one is sine. Yeah, so cos pi plus I sine pi. Oh, they've done tan. Oh, his gun is like the function. And he's shooting all of them. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like Pac-Man, like the way it like runs over. Why is he running away? I feel like he did something with the angle, which is why he's able to move now. So the functions that were like over there all start with different values of n. So like I just saw like some were like 2, some were like 12. It was like random. If anyone knows the reason for that, let me know, because if it was something smart, I missed it. function with the input infinity in his like function gun, which he's shooting now at 0. Oh, I just saw some linear algebra, which is my least favorite part of maths, like literally ever. Span of 3 vectors is just the whole of the 3-dimensional space. That's what it's saying. Ooh. So he just shot at something with his function infinity gun, and so he's now taking the limit of like what happens to the whole thing as the input goes to infinity. Oh, it screams! Oh, the integral. He's hitting it with the integral. Oh, that poor guy. Theta. He's using like the coordinates to move this thing. Oh, he's all on his own. He just made the radius really big. And put in the massive radius. I think he won. Did he win? This is getting aggressive, wow. No, is he gonna die? I'm so confused as to what just happened. Maybe we'll find out. Are they friends again? Oh. Oh. I don't know why, I'm like always really like soppy with like things like cartoons or like animated things or like Disney characters or something like that. So the fact that they're like they've made up literally just makes me want to cry right now. When I'm literally, now I think about it, it's like a stick man and an e to the I pi that's made up. That's so cute. Oh, they're friends again. Wait. I e to the I pi, what is that? E to the I pi is -1, so I e to the I pi is equal to minus I. Oh. Okay, so 4i is just... Is he going inside the function? Is he like explaining everything to him now? Like the e to the pi is explaining it. Okay, let me just check this sum. E to the pi is equal to, okay, so the sum, it's the same one again. It's like Maclaurin expansion of the exponential, and then you plug in the pi. Why is he in the bubble though? Okay, so the thing at the bottom is now the gamma function. Another function that's like kind of similar to the factorial, but it's like different. It's got like a slightly different definition. Why is it going up in 2s though? So 2n is equal to 0, so you're dividing by 2. Yeah, if my understanding is correct, then this is just the same thing as the previous thing. It's just like a less conventional way of writing it. What happened to the man? I feel like studying degree maths has actually made me like fluent with the Greek alphabet. Like I know that's phi, that one's delta, that one is zeta. Literally everyone hates writing zeta and psi. Like it's such an annoying thing to write. Like if this is obvious then I'm gonna feel really stupid, but I'm like still really confused about what happened before they made up. Like when it went, was it like some sort of like inverted like thing where everything got messed up and there were like loads of like cracks? Someone please explain to me what happened there. So the orange stick man basically went from like not even knowing how to add to learning like the whole of maths in, how long? 14 minutes. Kudos to him. I feel like most of the maths I knew. I don't know things like the zeta function. Like how long would this animation have taken to make, and like, who was so smart to come up with that and like really good at maths and also like with the animation skills? So I'll link it down below if anyone else wants to watch it. Yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.